Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Make sure battery is above 20% and you backed up essential files, because we may reboot and factory reset. Press and hold power until the power menu appears, and then long press power off. That forces the safe mode prompt, so the phone restarts with third-party apps disabled. Once the device boots into safe mode, confirm you see the label at the corner. This isolates system apps for troubleshooting and shows whether a third-party app is causing the issue. Once in safe mode, you must diagnose deliberately. Go to Settings, then Apps, and sort by recent installs or highest battery use to find suspects. Uninstall or disable one app at a time, then reboot normally to check whether the problem disappears. This isolates the culprit without losing unrelated data. Make sure to clear the cache for any app you test, because leftover data can keep reproducing crashes. If performance improves in safe mode, a third-party app is almost always the cause. To finish, reinstall only trusted apps in small batches so you can spot the offender quickly. Keep Play Store and system apps updated. If safe mode keeps activating, back up everything and use settings right arrow system, right arrow reset options, right arrow erase all data, factory reset, because corrupted system settings sometimes force safe mode. If a factory reset fails to fix the problem, you likely have firmware or hardware trouble. Contact Oppo support or an authorized repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.